We were looking for some interesting place to shift from Rajarajeshwari Nagar. That was in way off in 2013, and to be frank, I think I had filtered out some 45 to 50 different kinds of apartments, and not happy at all with what we saw. And we were primarily looking at RR Nagar because we got sort of settled in that place. And then suddenly it struck me that okay, I mean, this is not working out. Let's go to some place where somebody like Total Environments, or I'd also heard of Good Earth long back, so I wanted to come back and check out what they have. So that's when going to their website and checking out what is available, and I knew there were some 12 to 15 apartments still available, and that's when quickly met Preeta that time, and she showed us what is available, and somehow I felt the corner house was the best choice for us. And we were also primarily looking at 3-bedroom house, and that's when the journey with Good Earth started. And basically also because Good Earth has a very, very rustic kind of finish in everything they do, and very, very nature friendly, and taking care of the greeneries around, and that was something which was very, very catchy and very interesting to pursue. So, and I also had similar thoughts, and have greenery around, and especially in terraces we have this 4th floor of beautiful lawn and greenery around us. Like I don't think you would see a place like this anywhere else in Bangalore. So, and that sort of that's when our journey with Good Earth and terraces happened. And so we've sort of been here for close to 5 years. Another few days we'll finish 5 years, and it's been, I will say, an incredible journey with Good Earth, and having a great time living here. And anybody who comes here is always in awe and say, oh God, you live in such a lovely place, friends, relatives, and I think feel very, very, very settled, and a nice feeling to be here. Yes, yeah. So as we were getting well settled in terraces, so we were looking for what is that which we could do interesting. Of course, yoga was always part of my life, and we were doing it. Me and my husband were doing Iyengar yoga at Uttaralli in one of those institutes where BK Iyengar directly taught our teacher Karthik, and we always thought if we could get him to Good Earth, that will be something wonderful. See, yoga is Chittivritti Nirodha. So that's what we try to aim doing yoga, right? So how does it benefit you? On layman's language, you'll say, I mean, every day morning you feel so beautiful when you have done asanas, and you're wanting to do your activities. There is one serene state, and I think that is what yoga tries to achieve in simple terms. Of course, there are multiple benefits and multiple layers, but then this is what it does basically. So, that itself feels so good within you. So you can imagine when you get into, the advanced asanas and, the stretches, what it makes you feel. So, and everyone who's doing here comes back to it because it is that innate benefit you get. You're not able to explain, but it is, the feel good factor is so good. Maybe it's a kind of the special hormones which get the serotonin, and the dopamine which probably gets generated in your body, makes you feel so good doing your activities the rest of the day. I think that's the immense benefit. These asanas take you to that stillness. So one has to experience what the stillness is while you do the asana. So that's a very, very key thing here. And special thing about Iyengar yoga is that you can use props and achieve that perfection in the asanas. and be still. You know, holding on to that asana is so very important, and that's what I think brings you that inner experience, a small experience, not able to explain how, but then it's a beautiful experience. So that's what I think everybody keeps getting back to that, and hold on, and to the different positions, and that is the most important key thing here in yoga, and that's how it differs from other forms of exercises, because that stillness which it brings, I don't think anything else can, any other exercises can bring. And I would, it'll be nice if we can get back to that, with more to get back to the yoga sessions with more number of people joining in. Maybe probably we can have morning and evening, and have our classes dedicated, and do it with full vigor. Just for the sake of doing asanas, nothing else. And each one will have its own benefit. That should be the. It's a one's own individual experience. That is what I think you should look at when you do yoga. And once you're addicted, I don't think you can get out of it. It's like one super addiction where you just don't want to give up. You have to have focus, have some dedication, do this every day, every single day, some 45 minutes or at least 45 minutes. And when you see the little small benefits, I think you'll be fascinated yourself. I think that's how everybody does, getting into it. Yeah, and then and I see so many of these small kids all around Malhar, and I think this starting at 6 years, 7 years is the best age to start yoga, and because they are so flexible, they can do wonders with asanas. And I've seen my own nephew doing so beautifully in Bombay, and how he's improved over the years. He's 13 years now. He's been doing from the age of 6, and how it immensely benefits the way they look at things, and it's a gradual process, and I think it should be a lifelong thing, and starting at an young age is a wonderful thing. And in a place like this, what more can you ask for? You have, I think, good teachers, and you can bring in teachers, and you can engage with people who are already doing yoga, and so it's so nice to have that experience. And kids should start. Every kid should go through. In fact, every school should have yoga as a curriculum. And sadly, we have not implemented that fully in India. But then I think we can do it in our own small bit, starting from our community. And I think it's a beautiful community, having beautiful places around. I think we should take advantage of this. Every kid, every parent should encourage and push the kids to yoga. I think their life process will be very beautiful.